Kids, today let us learn the names of birds. Are you ready? Excited? Yes? Come, let's start. Kingfisher. This bird is Kingfisher. Eagle. This bird is Eagle. Dove. This bird is Dove. Hen. This bird is Hen. Vulture. This bird is Vulture. Pigeon. This bird is Pigeon. Sparrow. This bird is Sparrow. Crow. This bird is Crow. Kiwi. This bird is Kiwi. Owl. This bird is Owl. Hawk. This bird is Hawk. Hummingbird. This bird is Hummingbird. Cuckoo. This bird is Cuckoo. Duck. This bird is Duck. Woodpecker. This bird is Woodpecker. Macaw. This bird is Macaw. Robin. This bird is Robin. Hornbill. This bird is Hornbill. Ostrich. This bird is Ostrich. Peacock. This bird is Peacock. Pheasant. This bird is Pheasant. Budgerigar. This bird is Budgerigar. Seagull. This bird is Seagull. Bulbul. This bird is Bulbul. Turkey. This bird is Turkey. Parrot. This bird is Parrot. Flamingo. This bird is Flamingo. Quail. This bird is Quail. Crane. This bird is Crane. Penguin. This bird is Penguin. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.